how to see your card number on Google Pay. So guys, first off, make sure to navigate to your Google Wallet app and of course add a payment method, whichever you want to use, Visa, MasterCard, anything else. And then after that, when you go to certain websites or just a certain purchase option on, for example, Google Play Store, and you try to buy something, you'll have that card pop up and you can just click on it and then just pay instantly. So for example, if I go to my Google Play Store and I type in something like GTA San Andreas, as you can see, we can buy for $7. You press on buy, and as you can see in here, you can just add your card. So just add a card in here, and once you add the card, it will be added to your account on Google Play. And then when you press on this same button buy, right, you will have a little drop down with that card. So it will say the name of the card, and it will show also the 4 last digits of your card, so you know exactly with which your card you're paying for a certain item. So pretty much, once again, add the card to your Google Wallet, then go to the Play Store, and then once you press on this, you will get this pop-up with Google Pay. Choose the card, and then you can see your card number. Also, if you wish, you can go to go to this drop-down in here, you go to Payments and Subscriptions and Payment Methods, and in here you will see also your credit cards or other payment methods. Enjoy, my friends. If this helped you out, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.